Yebo kubalulekile ukuthi ube umuntu onenhliziyo enhle. Kubalulekile ukuthi wena ube ngumuntu, phakathi kwabantu ubonise ubuntu. Kodwa you need to be careful how far you take it, because wena now uhlezi uyilo muntu obonisa that last tooth at that back. When you're always smiling, it doesn't matter ukuthi uzobuhlungu kangakanani, kodwa wena you'll always find a place yokuthi, you know what, I will forgive and I will move on. Yes, we need to forgive and actually be able to move on ngey'mpilo zethu, but be careful ukuthi you are not taken advantage of. Ngoba isikhathi esiningi abantu abezwa ubuhlungu yilabantu ekuthiwa balungile. Wena bayakwazi ukuthi noma bangakuzwisa ubuhlungu kangakanani uyohlezi uxola. Noma bangakunyathela ama-cons kangakanani wena uzothi achu bese uyadlula uphume kuyo. Yes, kulungile ukuthi kube khona labo bantu abalungile empilweni, kodwa manje how far do you take it ukulunga kwakho ukuthi yohlezi name calling you and saying things kuwe and you just bleed ngaphakathi and wipe it off as if nothing happened? People will come in and out of your life and come back as if nothing ever took place, and then when you continue ngoba bayakwazi phela ukuthi wenawo unenhliziyo enhle phela. Kwesinye isikhathi asibofunda ukuthi yazini sizazi and siqine and believe ukuthi nathi kumele sitreatwe ngendlela. The first thing that you need to do empilweni, if wena you can learn ukuthi wazi ukuthi nawe you should not be stumbled on. Abantu bangayenzi umathanda phezu kwempilo yakho as if wena your feelings do not matter, because nawe your feelings matter. Nawe ubalulekile, nawe you bleed, nawe in as much as you don't show ukuthi you are bleeding from the outside, but the moment you are alone, those scars zibhekana nawe on your own, and you start to question yourself ukuthi kanti kahle kahle mina kwenzakalani ngami? Why do I always find myself in the company of abantu abangizwisa ubuhlungu and not even realize ukuthi bangizwisa ubuhlungu and move on from it as if nothing ever happened? Now is the time, Danasekhaya, for you to start taking yourself seriously. Ukulunga kwakho, yes, it's good, kodwa kukhona kwezinye izinto la kungeke kukwazi ukuthi kukusiza khona. Only you must take that stand and say enough is enough. Nami ngingumuntu, nami I do hurt.